Yeah, right. Ferrari on Ferrari action. All right.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
I'm just gonna do that. That way we can actually get somewhere. Oh,
Push down.
Yep.
There you go.
the clutch feels very nice. Where's the clutch from? That's the car? Just what it had?
Oh, the clutch is, the clutch is actually a OE clutch. We just put
Okay.
in.
So
So it's
you-
got a brand new clutch.
You
but
didn't replace it? But you did, okay.
I did replace it, yeah, because it had 23,000 miles on it. So, it's like, it's at like 30-40% left.
All right, how hoopty is this thing?
Oh.
You got a tire pressure monitor light?
Yeah.
You got a beam or a light, like a license plate light?
The stupid left rear tail light.
Oh, let me get this out of the seatbelt. Saddle rub.
Yeah.
Oh, don't crash his car. You just finished 2 minutes ago. Trying to fix the lapel mic. There we go.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's because they have the stupid aftermarket LEDs on it.
Yeah. My car was doing that. The
Yeah.
458, they had that on there. Oh, no, you're not. Okay. Sold. Sign me up.
Right?
Yeah.
And there's zero chatter, no vibration.
Yeah.
That was the problem. So they put in the OE replica parts or whatever, and the stick would just sit there and vibrate and just rattle against the gate. So the whole time you'd be doing this, it'd going, and we were like, no one's gonna buy that. They're gonna be pissed.
So how'd you fix it?
So it's shift cables.
Oh.
So it's 100% original parts that they designed.
Okay.
So it's a totally unique shift box, totally unique shift cables, unique components on the transmission.
So it is not a reverse engineer. It is
No.
a complete
This is bespoke.
re-engineer of your own. Yes. Okay.
Yep.
Wow. All right. Well, I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't want to hit a tree. Okay. Yeah, because you can't really go. Can't do much in Carmel Ocean Avenue. That was
No.
about 30. But okay, now we'll do slight gear change. Where are you, in Texas?
Yeah. In Austin.
And where do they do the conversions at?
In Austin.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. They moved up from San Antonio.
Yeah. Well, I want to come down and do this with my car, and I'll drive this for a video.
Yeah.
And then I want to take all the noodly spaghetti appendages off just to see the nastiness come off the car.
Oh yeah.
Then I'd probably go home and wait for you guys to finish it or something.
It might take a little bit. Yeah. The good news is now that they finished this one, they can basically in-house CNC machine whatever they need to now.
Cool.
So they could, they basically had to redo the parts. Like at the last minute, we had to redo the gate because the gate they did was too
Just a little
narrow.
off. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So now this
I
one's
can
good.
see it's milled a little bit bigger. Okay.
Yep, slightly larger.
I see that. All right. I'm going to turn around. Well, actually, this is probably a pretty good road here.
Yeah,
Finally, a decent road. Nope, there's another stop sign. It's Carmel. It's a stop sign every block.
There is.
I'll just go back. Very nice.
So another thing that they had to do was the software for this car
Mm-hmm.
did not like being a manual because they basically since they only made supposedly they made 42 of them in manual, and there was like 20 something in the US, and I guess there's been about 10 conversions so far that we're aware of. But the other conversions, if you push in the clutch, the RPMs just dump. So they rewrote the software to kind of help you because it makes it so it's really jerky and uncomfortable at low speed.
This is a total life changer for this car. I mean,
Yeah. So it's
and then
unique software,
a
unique
factory one is what,
750,000
Yeah.
minimum.
catching up to $1 million.
Yeah.
So that's the interesting question, though. Obviously, a 360 and a 430 manuals, the gap is $100,000 or so.
About that, yeah.
And then you guys do a conversion. Obviously, it's not worth as much as a factory manual car, but you're still way to the good equity-wise. What's this one going to be?
I am selling it right now, and I'm hoping. So there's currently a converted one with the OE parts with the chatter for sale for $475, and it's with the chatter. but it's got 1,200 miles on it.
Mm.
This has got 23,800.
Yeah.
So I think I'm not going to take less than 350 on this.
Wow.
So
Okay.
if I don't get 350, I'll put it up for auction.
All right.
It's kinda
Well,
my-
you need to have them take it apart and be able to copy this first before it goes.
No,
right?
they've got all the CAD files.
Okay,
So
all
they
right.
can just actually they're gonna I think we were this one.
Oh, yep. You're right. Yep.
They are going to actually they could just take the files and reprint them, but they're going to reprint new ones for this, or I should say CNC machine. They're going to machine new parts for this because some of them they didn't like the finish on it or whatever. They were still prototyping it, so it was like get it done fast, you know.
Right.
So we want it to be
So how long do I have to wait? I can't wait more than 2 minutes. Maybe
2 minutes.
12.
Yeah. I'm going to say a couple months still.
Okay.
But I think we can, because they've actually got 9 cars waiting.
Oh,
But I
I
think-
won't be able to sleep.
I know, we could probably get you in sooner than that.
I won't. Yeah, the purple nurple needs to go in for sure. Okay. Well, thank you so much.
Yeah, I'm
Let me
glad.
drive this, and now I know it works.
And you need it. You need this
I
in your life.
Everybody needs this. This is a game changer for the car. This is
It's a great car, but this
Yeah.
is epic.
yeah. The F1 transmission isn't bad in that car. It's
No.
okay, but this is
So
it.
much better.
This is the last front engine V12 manual Ferrari that you can get, and it's an Enzo engine, so it's that's
Well,
awesome.
and they also did the GTO tune on this, so it's probably got, and with my exhaust and everything, it's probably got about 50 plus more horsepower than stock.
Okay,
So
so
we're-
sign me up
we're-
for that too.
We're approaching probably 700 horsepower. Oh,
Okay, all right.
okay. I guess they.
They are really mad at me for hitting a child, or
Yeah.
yeah,
Attempting to kill their
Yeah,
child.
exactly. They envisioned. Okay.
Okay, here we
and
go.
now I have to parallel park it,
Yes.
which I failed this in driver's ed. I'm kidding. It's only at 355 behind me.
Yeah.
You know. All right.
It's only got carbon fiber wheels
Yeah.
if you curb them.
Oh, can I curb the wheels?
Yeah.
Are you nervous?
No. I trust you. Whether or not I should is a question.
All right, that's probably good enough.
Yeah. Even the reverse sensors and everything still work.
That's great.
Yeah. Epic.
Powering down.
Am I gonna have to fight it away from you?
Yep. I'm just gonna wait you out. I just won't move. This will be an endurance challenge of who can last the longest in the car. You'll eventually give up and get out, and I'll drive
Maybe.
off into the sunset. That's amazing. Okay. Well, thanks, Dan.
Yeah, you bet. I'm glad. Glad you got to try it finally.
Yeah. That's great.
Don't forget the mic.
Oh yeah. Oh, we're connected. That's right. We're conjoined
Yeah.
twins for the moment here.